Hello, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm so glad that you're here today. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd sincerely appreciate it. Without further ado, I have my Boxycharm Premium. Yay! I'm so excited. It got here really fast. And I've not done any peekaloos. So what I see is what you see. And here's the card, and it says, "Spellbound, spellbound, oh, we're spellbound." And then this is what it looks like on the inside. It looks kind of sparse for such a big box. But let's put the glasses on, get the calculator out, and see if I got my money's worth. Now the premium box is going up to $39.99 next month. So this is the last time it's $35. And it's usually worth the $35. And this card opens up and it's talking about what they're calling the pop-up shop, which is now the drop shop and the mega drop shop and what's coming. So October 11th, which is Monday, will be the drop shop, which used to be the pop-up shop or whatever the fuck they want to call it. I don't know. Ain't my business. I just show up and buy the stuff. Let's see. First thing we have here is something that I really, really love. I love Benefit products. And this is the Georgia Golden Peach Blush. And it's $30. And I am a big fan of, I've got quite a few Benefit things, but I don't have this blush. So I'm super glad to have it. And I will use it because I don't have very many peachy blushes. So this is great. And it's a peachy dream come true. Benefit's cult favorite Georgia Golden Peach Blush is back and sweeter than ever. Woohoo! And Georgia is a warm, vibrant peach shade with a soft golden shimmer. For a hint of glow, the silky smooth, superfine powder blends effortlessly to give cheeks a fresh, picked flush and a peachy keen sheen. Very nice. That almost pays for the box. Next up is from Lily Lashes. And this is the Level Up Lash Enhancing Serum. Ooh, I love a good lash serum. And this is, oh, cat's making noise. That's what that is, $65. Lash serums are notoriously expensive. And Level Up Lash Enhancing Serum is a powerful results-driven lash serum promoting ultimate lengthening, strengthening, and conditioning benefits while enhancing the overall appearance of your natural lashes in as little as 4 weeks. Very cool, $65. We're just chugging right along. And then from Rakuten MD, the Vitamin C Ester Citrus Brightening Cleanser. And this is Rakuten's Vitamin C Ester Citrus Brightening Cleanser. Is a non-drying formula that cleanses without stripping the skin of natural oils. This fresh cleanser is formulated with Rakuten's MD proprietary vitamin C ester, a more potent and less irritating form of vitamin C to visibly smoothen and brighten. Also contains DMAE to visibly lift and copper complex to hydrate and energize skin. $35. Very nice. That's a very big size. And then next up is from Rowan Beauty. And this is the Vowel Brow Pencil. And this is the perfect brow pencil to easily define, fill, and shape any brow. And it's a 1.7 millimeter tip. And it's $26. And this is in medium, which is like a medium brown, which is my color. It's a very nice looking pencil. That's a spoolie. Very nice. Goes into the package with all my other brow products. Then next up is from Tarte, the Man Eater Plumping Gloss. Oh, it's a beautiful color. I'm not into plumping glosses, but that's very beautiful. Apply Tarte's Man Eater Plumping Gloss for visibly plumper looking lips. The nourishing formula smooths the lips and then wraps them in lasting hydration and color and shine, while you Vowel Plump Complex works to visibly plump the lips with just one swipe. $19. And then last but not least, we have from Dew of the Gods. It's easy for me to unwrap. It's a beautiful tin. From Dew of the Gods, it's the Fila Collagen Under Eye Pads. Why inject when you can object to dull and tired under eyes with a powerful bounce of hydrogel collagen, vitamin C, and witch hazel to plump it, lift, and revitalize your look. It's like an iced coffee for the soul. And that's $20. So I'm going to re-add this up because I think I did something wrong. And I'll be right back. Alright, so our total for the Spellbound box this month is $195. So I more than got my money's worth. And this Lash serum paid for it. I'm happy to have the brow pencil, the eye patches. The Man Eater's going to be given to someone I know for Christmas that I have in mind. And then the vitamin C cleanser. This is a great box, and I would still be happy with it if it was $39.99. So I'm not worried about the price increase. I'm going to stick with premium for a while. But I just hope that you've enjoyed this video, and we will see you real soon. Have a great day.